What's up everyone, it's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and today we're going to review Shopify's free theme Venture. We're going to cover the homepage, its customization features, its mobile optimization, and its speed. First, I wanted to quickly thank our sponsor.
Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Shopify's Venture theme is available on the Shopify theme store, and I'm just on the download page right here. And to start, there are three main options that let you choose, and three styles. It gives you the overall feel of the theme. So snowboards, outdoors, and boxing. And what it does is just customizes the colors a little bit to give you a start there. Makes it a little easy. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to view the demo here just to show you guys a broad overview. And right now I have the boxing theme chosen. So overall, it's a great theme, especially if you have a lot of products you're starting out with. It has a lot of options for mega menus, filtering, and it makes it easy to display your products in a manner that's easy for the customer to navigate. So go to the homepage here. You can have a nice big hero image on top, good display of collections, good product display as well. And one of the main benefits of using Venture, especially if you're starting off on a free theme, is the mega menu. It has a really good mega menu to display all the options. Because if you have different variants, like for example, this boxing store has shirts, shorts, and hoodies, it gives you an easy display here. It allows the customers to click on and easily find what they're looking for. And it has a nice announcement bar up here as well. Also on mobile, just to show you quickly, it's got some decent filtering options here and an easy display. There are no borders really in between these products, and it just displays them in a nice, easy manner, nice scrolling as well. Now to start our first category, homepage customization. Right now I've downloaded the theme on my Shopify store, and I've done some basic customization just to get an idea of it. So to start with the homepage, you have the header. This is the logo and stuff here as well, and you can edit your menu here as well. Not too much there. The second option is the slideshow. It has a nice slideshow that can auto-rotate and give the customer a good feel for your website, what you offer, what you represent, and show some good images. This could be products. Right now I just have some free images here just to give an idea of what we sell, so camping gear, surfing stuff. As for here, then you can have the ability to edit collections. So I put a few collections from my Shopify store here, so summer, surfing, camping, just to give the customer who lands on the homepage an overview of what they could be clicking on. The next option you can edit on the homepage is you can have a nice image and alt text. This will give you a chance to sell the customer on what you do and your product services. So those are the basic options it starts out with. And one of the great things about Venture is there are a ton of options for your homepage, much more than I've seen for the other free Shopify themes. So you can do things like have a collection list, gallery, image with link text, that's this right here. You can also do another slideshow. What's a nice one is featured products. If you're trying to get rid of inventory or you have a product you're really pushing, you can feature it on your homepage to give customers an easier chance to find it and possibly purchase it. You also have the ability to add a newsletter sign up, a map, so if you have a physical location, you can advertise this to customers as well, making it easy to find. Testimonials, a video as well, which is a nice feature if you want to feature anything of your product. It also has the ability to have a logo list, which would be kind of cool if you have a brand of camping, for example, and you have a lot of major brands that you want your customers to know that you have. You can display it on your homepage here, and the Venture theme makes it quite easy to do so. So overall for the homepage, I would give it a 9 out of 10, especially in comparison to the free Shopify themes, because it has a lot more options, a lot more widgets which you can customize, play around with, and give your homepage a good feel for the customer. The next section we're going to cover here is mobile optimization. So I'm just going to click this Shopify button here to show what it looks like on mobile. So overall, it looks great. All the themes built by Shopify are mobile optimized. They give you a great outlook. It's very intuitive, very easy to use, and there's not too much clutter here as it's a mobile website. Overall, there's not much to comment on the mobile optimization, as all Shopify themes are quite good. As you can see here, it's got a search bar, the menu slides out. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for mobile optimization. The next section I'll cover here is customization features. So in the Shopify customization menu here, for collections, there's some decent options here. There's not too much you can do. This is usually the case on free themes. It has some basic homepage customization, but overall the product customization and the collection customization is quite basic, as they're kind of just simple templates to start. So if I look at the product page, it has some customization on, you want to put product sharing at the bottom, so your social icons. You can also do dynamic checkout. This adds the buy now button. some other kind of random features like showing stock when it's less than 10 products available. This one's not bad as well if you want to stay in the cart page. If a customer clicks on it, this is so if they're trying to buy multiple items, it leaves them here instead of taking them to the cart. It also has product customizations. Some dynamic stuff up here. I'm not entirely sure how the algorithm works for that, but it's probably around tags or associative collections or something similar to there. Another thing to note is that the Venture theme doesn't have great customization when a developer tries to get into the code. So if you have some basic understanding of how to customize a Shopify theme, the Venture theme isn't the easiest one to do. There's quite a bit of complex options there, and it's not laid out quite clearly for a developer. So if you're trying to customize your theme, you might want to go with something different, a little easier to customize. So overall, I would give customization features as a 6 out of 10. It doesn't have a lot of options. It has some options. It's hard to edit from a developer standpoint and from a customization standpoint for collections and products. The last category I'll cover today is speed. So what I have loaded right here is Pingdom and GTmetrix. These are the two speed sites I use to check how fast my Shopify website is and where I can make improvements. So right here we have Pingdom. It has an overall grade score of 92 and it has a load time of 3.55 seconds. That's actually quite slow given that I have almost nothing on my website, no extra apps, no heavy images. So the theme itself isn't as optimized as it could be. And that's actually one of the complaints I read as well when I went to reviews for Venture, is that it's not as fast as some of the other free Shopify themes. If I go through the waterfall section as well, it is quite slow. I noticed earlier for the CSS, it takes like a decent time to load in comparison to other Shopify themes. I think because there's a lot of CSS in there. Overall, there's not too much I can note, except for the images could be optimized as well, but that has nothing to do with the Shopify theme. The other site I have here is GTmetrix. The load time is 4.5 seconds. So if you take the average of the two, it's about 4 seconds, which is a little slow on the theme side. As I mentioned, there's nothing on my website except for a few images and a few products. So if you're looking for speed, this might not be the best option, especially if you have like a single product website. But if you have a ton of products and you're okay with a little slower load time to have an easier way to display all your products, this is definitely the theme for you if you're looking for a free Shopify theme. So overall, I'd give the theme a 6 out of 10 for speed. It's not as fast as a lot of the other free Shopify themes. Overall, this concludes my review for Shopify's free Venture theme. It's great if you have a lot of products and a lot of collections and you want to display that in an easy to digest manner for the customers, but it fails in comparison to some other free Shopify themes in customization for the product pages and the collection pages, and it also doesn't do as well on the speed category. But where it makes that up is in its homepage customization. It has a lot of options there, especially when starting out for a free theme. If you haven't yet, click that subscribe button below, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thank you for watching.